It's a new 2019 MINI Hardtop two-door. This true original has been made modern yet still has the heart and soul of what makes a Mini. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, rear parking sensors, push-button start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver notes the cabin is quieter than those of Minis past when it doesn't sound like a cocktail shaker, and the interior is much easier to use thanks in part to the excellent infotainment suite. Efficiency, fun, and freedom. Welcome to Mini. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.